Teachers, I'm Soumya Mukherjee. I'm from West Bengal, and in our West Bengal syllabus, there's a story. It's called Two Sisters. It's about Bengali language and English language. Where Bengali language, she is feeling very sad. She is feeling lonely because in her region, she previously was the queen, and nowadays everyone in her region is keen to learn English. Bengali language is feeling neglected. So this is Bengali language for me, and she is English language. So now Bengali language is very upset. Oh, this was my land, my people. But I'm very sad now. They have left me alone. Nowadays, they are very keen to learn English language. Oh, what is that reality? They have forgotten me. Hello, sister. Hello. Hello. I think you are sad. Hey, are you crying? Look like she's crying. I'm English language. Please tell me. What's your problem? Oh, again, this English. Oh, you are the reason for my problems. Oh, but I've done nothing. I'm just a language, and you're also just a language. We're like sisters. Sisters? This is my land, my people, and now they're abandoning me. They are keen, they are loving you, they want to learn English language. But I'm useful to them. I link the different regions together. That is why maybe they love to learn English language. But don't feel sad. Oof, why can't I feel sad? It's you. You are the problem. Oh no, sister. Both you and I are sisters. See, we look alike. See, we can turn. We can see face to face. I link the different regions together because in India we have vast language. Everyone don't learn Bengali. They don't know Bengali. That is why I am needed. So, you are, and you always be the queen of Bengal. Be happy. Really? 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 I am the queen of Bengal. Again? Not again. You already are the queen of Bengal. I am your sister. Come, let's hold hands and dance. We are both sisters. We are both sisters. Thank you.
Very nice.